In this video, I'll show you how to share itinerary on Airbnb. So to get started, go ahead and open Airbnb on your device and sign in into your account. Now click on the top right corner of your screen and click on that trips tab. After that, you'll find your trips, and basically this is just a cancel trip that they have. If you have like a confirmed trip, you will just need to click on it, and here you will find the trip details. Under the guest, because you'll find here the guest details, you will need to add a co-traveler. And after you add a co-traveler, you'll be able to share your travel itinerary with them. When the co-traveler, the person with whom you are sharing the itinerary, will receive the email or will receive the invitation, and of course to basically receive the itinerary as well. So basically that's how you can share itinerary on Airbnb. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.